What is up, guys? I am so excited about today. We're gonna have a blast. So Sarah and I are up here in the North Carolina mountains. Wait till you see this Airbnb she found for us. Sarah is the Airbnb queen.
This is a good one.
It is a good one. My favorite. I love it. Now, I'm no interior decorator, but I'm gonna steal some of these ideas. It's kind of chaotic, but it's really, really cool. Some funky wallpaper behind the TV. Love those lights. Just weird kind of artwork randomly placed all throughout the house. Now, baby, this is the kind of decorating I could do.
Just throw it up there?
Yeah, just chunk it up there and not really care where it goes.
Yeah. Well, there is a method to the madness. It looks good.
It does look good.
It does look. We're torn on the tape.
Yeah, I don't like the tape.
Sarah's. I mean, I would never have thought to do that in a bajillion years.
It's shiny tape, at least.
Well, yeah, it's like decorative tape. But
it is decorative tape.
But
I mean, I respect it.
And the butterflies, and they have bee stuff.
Yeah, it's cool. I respect the tape because I'm really not good at hanging stuff up, so, I mean, hey.
I know, I was like, sweet, I could have just been doing that this whole time.
But this is your little living room right here. You got a little fake fireplace there. Love this. Sarah says it rolls. I haven't even checked it out.
Yeah, it moves around. So, like, you can bring it into the kitchen and put, like, a buffet or use it for extra counter space while you're cooking or just... There's games and stuff in there, too.
That'd be great down at the fish house, like you said. Kind of move it around as needed, but... Nice little couch, little sitting area, cool Christmas tree kind of thing. Some more butterfly artwork, some caterpillars and leaves, some owls. I love this though. This is really cool. Whole world map on the wall. That goes to the parking area. And then back this way, you've got two nice big bedrooms. I'll show you the one we did not sleep in. So we only messed it up because they have 5 billion pillows on each bed. So we had to kind of move them off. But really cool, just cozy, neat colors, artwork. I love it. Then let's see, you go this way. I forget what's in here. Oh, bathroom. Oh, and check this out. What are you saying, woman?
I said out of our bedrooms to the back. If you go out the door of our bedroom, that takes you to the backyard.
You want to do this video?
Well, you get lost in a 2-bedroom home.
You get back on them dishes.
I was just trying to help you out.
Thanks, babe. Okay, as Sarah said, it goes into the bathroom, which one of the coolest things about this whole place, they have got heated toilet seats. I never knew I needed that, but I do. So you got a little bathroom there, and then this is our bedroom.
Oh, I liked how all the TVs in the house and the fireplace out there were on when we came in. They were all set to a fire.
It was pretty awesome.
Like, it was just nice. Because we got in late. We got in like at 9.
Yeah, it was dark.
So it was dark, so it was kind of pretty to walk in, and everything is just lit
nice
up by...
and firelight.
Yeah.
Fake firelight, but firelight nonetheless.
It's still nice. Yeah. It's still nice. It's just my bathing suit.
That's just Sarah's bathing suit, my towel warmer, and a little closet right here. Here's our... Oh, this is a little kind of neat. Some kind of necklace artwork thing. A deer. This is our restroom. Another heat. Yes, we gotta have that.
I want it.
The heated toilet seat.
It's a heated toilet seat and a bidet.
And a butt washer.
And a butt washer.
Yeah, it's nice.
I like that.
I love it.
I do too.
Little bathroom in here.
You feel so fresh and so clean all the time.
You do. Clean.
Yeah.
It's very important to feel clean all the time.
It is.
But I could sit on that thing for like ever.
I know.
It's so nice.
It's nice. I'm spoiled rotten. Yeah. Now I'm going to need a Toto toilet.
Yep, Toto toilet seat.
Yeah.
Well, Christmas is coming soon. If you behave yourself, I might get you one.
Get a toilet seat. Just when I want to tell all my girlfriends.
Super tall shower right here. Little bathroom. And then out here is the bomb. Check this out. So we got in the hot tub last night. Never mind my shorts right there. Oh, something just took off through the woods. Probably a deer. This is one of my favorite things. We haven't even gotten in here yet. Matter of fact, we don't know how. But it's a little, what would you call this thing? An igloo greenhouse
look.
thing?
We figured it out.
We figured it.
See that
we couldn't see last night. We did build us a little fire. Well, all you got to do is hit a button, but we had a nice fire here.
TV from the hot tub.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Yeah. We got to show them at night when it's all lit up. Because they have everything on solar lights. So the little lights and the trees light up, and then all of this. It's just really pretty.
It's beautiful. It's romantic.
It is.
I want to go in here. Oh, I need this. It's warm in here.
And they have a little electric fireplace in here too.
Awesome.
So we can sit in here and just watch a show.
Yeah.
You can feed me grapes. Rub my feet.
I like it. And this would be so cool to have at your house, man. You could like watch meteor showers and stuff and keep the mosquitoes off of you and stay warm in the winter.
We said last night it'd be really cool once it starts snowing up around here to sit in here and just watch the snow come in.
And you could actually have some real plants out here too, because I mean it is a little miniature greenhouse. Nice little bed right there. You can play marbles.
I don't know how to play that game.
I don't either.
Do you know?
I have no idea what it is.
Maybe we'll learn.
Maybe.
99% sure we probably won't, but
but we could. It's the thought that counts.
There's a 1%. There is a chance.
There's a chance. So you're telling me there's a chance. But yeah, these little lanterns hanging everywhere are all lit up at nighttime. It is just one of the coolest Airbnbs that my baby has ever found.
Yay.
Nice job.
Thanks.
All right, you ready to go pick some apples?
Yeah, let's go do it.
So, I think we might try to go to the Blue Ridge.
Yeah.
Depending on how far it is. Might do a little Blue Ridge Parkway. Go up a mile high.
Yeah, it's supposed to be, the leaves are supposed to be kind of peak color right about now.
Up top.
At the top.
Yeah, so we may check that out. Then we're going to Jeter Mountain. This is our 3rd annual trip.
Yes.
I think. To go pick apples and grapes, maybe.
It's our favorite.
It is our favorite. And drink cider and watch bluegrass bands and eat apple donuts.
That's the best part.
Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, so little change of plans because Jeter Mountain closes at 5. We kind of slept late and took our time, so it's 11. So if we go to Mount Pisgah, it's an hour away, and then an hour and 10 minutes from Mount Pisgah to Jeter Mountain. So we're going to do Jeter Mountain first.
Yeah.
And then just see where the day takes us.
Yeah, see if we're up for traveling around.
Yeah, we may not be after donuts and cider. So Jeter Mountain's the most important, and it's the coolest. So we got to make sure we make that one happen.
Yes, for sure.
Let's go.
All right.
Sarah, I think we might have picked a very busy day.
Yeah. A Saturday in October.
Just look at all this traffic.
Is probably
not.
Well, I know it's not the best time to come, but
Yeah, we know, but
it's the time we could come.
never seen that much traffic all the way to Jeter Mountain.
And we love it.
We do love it.
So if you watch this video, you can't come.
No, you can't come.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Find another one.
Don't come. Yeah, don't. Yeah.
Sucks here.
Go to somewhere else. This place
It's terrible.
sucks. Everybody's done found out about our secret place. Darling, I think everybody else in the southeast had our idea today.
Yeah.
It is packed out.
This is the most packed we've ever seen it.
Yeah, for sure. And we had to park about a mile away.
Then they have little wagons to shuttle.
Little wagon
if you
shuttle.
want it, if you don't want to walk.
It's a beautiful day though.
It's really nice.
Yeah, we could just walk.
We say that.
It does. It feels amazing. It's a little warm, but up here in the mountains, I don't know, it's probably, what do you say, 70?
And the car said 64.
Yeah.
But it feels warmer than that.
The car lied.
Yeah,
It's
I
about
think
75, but it's nice. All right, let's go see if there's any apples left on the trees. Holy moly at the people. All right, we're gonna go get in line and get us some apple donuts and some cider.
Apparently this is the line for donuts. Okay.
Holy cow. I hear the bluegrass band playing. Goodness gracious at the people. This is madness. Oh, it smells good. We're gonna get us a flight of cider eventually.
Oh my God.
It's not that bad in here.
Everyone found out our secret.
They did find our secret spot, man.
Like
everyone. That'll be all right.
Next year, we're gonna come on Friday.
Yeah, or Wednesday.
They're only open Thursday and Friday.
Okay, we're coming on Thursday. All right, let's see if I can carry 2 flights. You did a good job. Well, I made it with 2 flights, didn't spill none. And Sarah got us a table right in front of the bed. Yeehaw! Cheers! That was hard work, but you got them. Oh,
I went ahead and just got a dozen because I didn't want to be short of donuts.
No, because you don't really want to wait in line today.
No.
Good job, baby. This is what we came for. Right here, folks. Hot apple donuts.
And you left yourself 1 sip.
1 sip. That's all I got.
All right.
Cheers.
Oh, they're warm.
Oh, yeah. Mmm.
They're so good.
That's the stuff right there.
They just fall apart. They're the best. They're the best.
Absolute best. Well, y'all, yet another change in plans. We're gonna pick some apples, but we're gonna pick them out of the store due to the fact that the line to jump on the little covered wagon starts way up there, weaves throughout the chains, comes all the way down here. And I love picking apples, but my belly's full of cider and donuts and potato soup and enchilada soup. So therefore, we're just gonna pick our apple up in baskets from inside the store. Oh yeah, this will be much easier picking it here, even though still gotta wait a little bit of a line. I'm about appled out, lady.
Me too.
This place is
It's insane today.
it's insanity.
They deserve it. Because
They
I was
do.
just thinking about it, like it's a nice experience.
It is.
They've really put a lot of thought into the spacing of their buildings and the style of the buildings and
It's fun.
what they offer.
And it's clean and it's nice, but if you come on a Saturday,
This was a record-breaking day.
it was a record break.
Like, they literally told us that.
Yeah. So, yeah, good thing they had cider. Because there are children running around everywhere. They're rolling down the hills over here.
But we seriously have to go sit on this back porch next year.
Yeah.
Like, we need to split our time
On a
between
Thursday.
on the bluegrass band,
Yes,
and then the rest of the time just sit out here rocking.
I agree. Guys, sure appreciate you hanging out with us today here at Jeter Mountain Farms, and what do they need to do?
Like and subscribe.
That's it. See you guys on the next one. Later.